This year I learned about a seed company that's actually really close to where I live called Bare Root Gardens, and I'm surprised that I hadn't heard of them before, but I instantly loved their packaging. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. It definitely wants me to grow all of their varieties of things. So I've got 4 here. I've got Dragon's Tongue bush beans, which I haven't planted yet, Mexican sunflower, cream of Saskatchewan watermelon, and a lava flow tomato. And I'm just so impressed. I wanted to make this video. They didn't ask me to make this video. I'm not really getting anything out of it, but I love supporting local, and a really good seed company deserves a little recognition. So here we are. So if you look at the seed packets, let me tell you a little bit what I love about them. They're easy to use, easy to open. It's amazing how many seed packets will be actually really difficult to open. They give you the variety, and the information on the seed packet isn't overwhelming. That's exactly what you want to know. It tells you what it is, how many seeds, when it was packaged, which is really important a couple of years down the line if you've forgotten when you got this seed, so you know how fresh it is, what you can expect from germination, and a little bit of a blurb about what it is, including when and where to start the seeds. So very, very useful. And you can see I've got in front of me some of the seedlings that I've started. So these are the lava flow tomatoes. They are looking really nice and healthy. Maybe just a little tiny touch stretched, but that's okay. I've gotten really good germination out of everything that I've planted. This is cream of Saskatchewan watermelon, which I did start a little bit early, but that's okay. I could always start it again. I just wanted to see how it was going to do in terms of germination. It was fantastic. And here's my Mexican sunflower, which I'm really excited about as well. Not this one, this one's a paprika, but these ones are my Mexican sunflowers. And one other thing I just want to say about the cream of Saskatchewan watermelon. So this makes a all-white watermelon. I've never tried it before. I was really excited to give it a go. And then after I'd planted, I heard from somebody incidentally in Saskatchewan that cream of Saskatchewan watermelons are disgusting. So I'm really curious to see what I think of it. And then when I look at the information that Bare Root Gardens gives me on the packet, it doesn't say anything about taste. So we'll see how this goes. I'm really curious. If you're looking to broaden the number of seed companies you support, I really recommend this one. This is fantastic, Bare Root Gardens. However your garden grows, keep growing as a gardener.